Shayla here from the Laconia Public Library. I am working on one of our public computers right now, so I'm going to show you how to use our printer. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to find something to print. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'll show you how to open up a PDF and how to print it from our public computers. So let's just say that you're looking for, maybe you want to print out some tax forms. So I'm just going to look up tax forms and go to the IRS website. And so let's say you need a 1040. You can click on that and the PDF's going to open right up. And if you wanted to print it, you go to the print button right here. And there it is. We want to send it to the Konica. Hit print. And it's going to ask for a user ID. The user ID, it doesn't matter necessarily what it is. It's just you need to know what it is. So I'm just going to put in my initials and hit OK. And it's going to say, do you want to print this? And it's going to tell me how much money it is, which it's always 10 cents per page. So then I just hit OK. And it's going to send it right down to the terminal.
All right, so in order to select your print job, you move the mouse over to your job and click it so that it's blue. That's selected. Go up to print, and it's going to give you this list of options here. Once you come up here, you're going to want to go over to the terminal here and put your money in the machine there, or in the or put dollars in there. And once you've done that, we hit pay from vending device. And that should come right up. Next forms.
So now let's say that you want to print out a web page. So that's going to be like basic, like I'm going to use a real estate listing, for example. So let's just say you want to print out this whole page. You're going to hit print, and it's going to show all the listings on the page that's on the screen. Like right now, if you scroll down, let's just say we want the first page with the first couple listings. And we're going to hit pages, custom, and 1 so that it doesn't print out all 12. And there we go. So now this is just what we're printing out. So we're just going to hit print. It's going to go through the same thing, user ID. And OK. And we've sent that over. So let's just say that you don't want to print an entire web page, and you also don't want, and you don't have access to the information in a PDF form. What you could do is you could copy and paste the version, the amount of the text that you want into a Word document, and you can print it out that way. So we're just going to copy and paste this paragraph right here. So we're double clicking the whole thing. It's going to select the whole thing. We right click and hit copy, or you can also hit Control-C. Go to Microsoft Word. You can hit Control-V, and now it's pasted. So from there, you can hit print, and it's going to go to the Konica, and same deal, user ID, that whole thing.
And that's about it. So I hope the video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.